everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iOS 18.1 stuck on update requested. iPhone users are excited to explore the new features and enhancements that come with the latest update. As you will meet iOS 18.1 update requested issue. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is restart your iPhone. For this you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. Next a slider shows up. So slide to power off, then wait for some time, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. The next step is check network and restart network settings. For this go to settings, then choose Wi-Fi option and connect your device to an available Wi-Fi network. And to reset your network, go back to settings and then tap on airplane mode toggle button to enable it. Wait for some time, and after some time tap on its toggle button again to disable it and connect to your Wi-Fi network. You are done. And the next step is clear up storage space. The update process will not work correctly if you do not have sufficient space on your iPhone. For this go to settings. Next scroll down and go to general, then choose iPhone storage. Wait until the page is loading. From here you can delete your unnecessary apps, other media files, and you are done. And the next step is force to exit settings apps if you are still stuck and iPhone says update request. To do this, open the recent app menu and swipe up on the settings app. Wait a minute, then reopen the app to check for progress. And the next step is delete the iOS file and try again. Sometimes a corrupt iOS file may be causing the update request. For this go to settings. Next scroll down and go to general option, then choose iPhone storage. Wait until the page is loading and then scroll down until you see the update. Tap on it and then tap on delete update. Choose delete update again to confirm and then try to install the iOS 18.1 again, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix stuck on update request, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.